To connect to the Telegram bot, tap the chat icon in the bottom right corner. When the menu appears with contact options, select Telegram to proceed. The app will redirect you to Telegram and open the Whitelistvideo helper bot chat. Tap the Start Bot button to begin the connection process. Send the Start command to activate the bot and establish the connection with your child's device. The bot will respond with a welcome message explaining all the available functions, including managing YouTube channels, handling approval requests, and controlling app settings remotely. Let's go to next step, which is to add a channel to the whitelist. To add a channel to the whitelist, type your request in the message field. For this example, we'll add a Cocomelon channel by typing the channel name we want to whitelist. Send the message to the bot by clicking here. The bot will search YouTube and display a list of matching channels. Since there are multiple Cocomelon channels available, you'll need to choose the specific one you want to whitelist. Select the channel you want to add from the list. In this case, we'll choose the Cocomelon with ASL, Nursery Rhymes and Kids Song option. The bot will confirm that the channel has been successfully added to your whitelist, making it available for viewing in the Whitelistvideo app. You have successfully added the channel to your whitelist. Let's go to next step, which is to verify the channel and view all your whitelisted channels. To verify the channel was added successfully, switch back to the Whitelistvideo app and head to the dashboard. Refresh the dashboard by pulling down, and you'll see the channels count has updated from 4 to 5. Tap on the channels card to view the complete list. Here you can see the updated list now includes Cocomelon with ASL among your whitelisted channels. Switch back to Telegram and type list out of whitelisted channels to get a complete overview from the bot. The bot responds with your current list of whitelisted channels, confirming all your added channels are properly saved. Let's go to next step, which is to manage blocked keywords by listing and adding a new one. To see what keywords are currently blocked, type list out of blocked keywords and send the message. The bot will respond with all the keywords that are currently on your blocked list. Let's add a new keyword by typing add amazing keyword and sending it. The bot confirms that amazing has been successfully added to your blocked keywords list. To verify the new keyword in the app, switch back to Whitelistvideo, where you'll see the blocked items count has updated from 10 to 11. Tap on the blocked items card to view all blocked content. The blocked content screen now displays your newly added keyword, confirming it was successfully added through the Telegram bot. Next, let's go to step 4, which is to change the protection level to whitelist only. To change the protection level to whitelist only, switch back to Telegram and type the command set protection level whitelist only to the bot. Send this message to execute the command. The bot will confirm that your protection level has been successfully changed to whitelist mode, which means only content from your approved channels will be accessible. We have successfully changed the protection level to whitelist only. Let's go to next step, which is to verify the change in the app. To verify the change in the app, switch back to Whitelistvideo and refresh the dashboard. You'll see the protection level card now shows whitelist instead of the previous setting. Tap on this protection level card to view the detailed settings. Here you can confirm that whitelist only is now selected, meaning your child can only access the channels you've specifically approved through the Telegram bot.